So I recently started a collection of aromatherapeutic plants in my office, but I've got right now lavender, lemon balm, and spearmint. So those all are also essential oils. And we can also use dried flowers or leaves from those plants to make something called an infused oil.
That's awesome.
A common flower you might have at home is calendula, also known as marigolds. And you can use those dried flowers to make an infusion like this one.
Sweet, let's do it.
All right, so to start, you're gonna need about a tablespoon of dried calendula flowers, a carrier oil. It doesn't matter which kind. I recommend avocado oil or fractionated coconut oil or almond oil. Those are all good choices. And you'll want a container that's sealable to put it in. And you'll need a sunny window, and that's what you need.
That's it. Wow.
All right, so you can start by gently packing these down into the jar.
Okay. And these flowers come in this recipe box, right?
Yep, so we have a recipe box with 4 full-size essential oils plus extras to make them with, and this is a recipe from our June box. And then what you're gonna wanna do is fill it up with oil, about 3/4 of a cup, give or take, until the oil is roughly an inch above or below the flowers. The flowers are gonna float up in this case, so we'll look for an inch of oil of space. Okay, so now that this is in here, we're going to seal it shut. We'll set it in a sunny window. We'll shake it every day back and forth a couple times just to get things mixed. If you find over time that some of the oil has evaporated out, you can just add more oil to it. And once it's sat there for a couple weeks, then it's ready for the next step, which I've already got one over there that I'm gonna grab that's ready. So now what we're gonna do is pull this through a sieve, or you can use a cheesecloth, into our final sealable container. So I'll hold this and you can pour it on. And then once we're done, we can just discard the flowers. We can press the rest of the oil out of the flower petals, and then we can just discard this. And once it's in there, it's ready to be used. It helps heal skin. It can help soothe insect bites, which is perfect for June. We get a lot of mosquitoes out here in Wisconsin.
It smells good too.
And then we'll label it so you remember what it is. Otherwise, you got a pretty oil in a jar. So you can use this as is. You can add essential oils to it, like a carrier oil. You can use it to replace other carrier oils in other recipes. So you can use this in a roll-on instead of fractionated coconut oil. I'm Katie.
I'm Libby.
We're from Simply Earth, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils. For more great recipes like this one, check out our box at simplyearth.com/box, where we send you 4 full-size essential oils plus fun extras and recipes just like this one.
Make sure you subscribe so that you can take advantage of this awesome deal and make these super fun recipes from home.
Thanks for watching.
See ya!